Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli, Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy.
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Guys, nice day today. I was up till late at night. You can see my post on Facebook. I was up after 4 a.m., probably till about 5:30 a.m. Got about an hour of sleep last night, but as you guys can see, markets are having a nice pop here today. We got a nice move on Starbucks. Visa's breaking 182 this morning. Allergens above 195. We are looking good here today, guys. So first things first.
Bless you.
Thank you. First things first, I'm going to be closing out our hedge. We got a SPY put hedge yesterday against all of our calls. We got about 25 grand in calls here long, so we got a short-term put as a hedge. So probably going to be closing that out first thing in the morning here, and we're going to be looking for some nice swing trades here. Market's climbing. We're in that next breakout. I like the way things are looking here, so probably going to be taking profits on Visa soon. That should have some nice gains today. Visa's up almost $3, 1.71% here. Here we go, guys. Opening bell. Visa trade's already up $1,000.
Look at AGN.
Allergen 195.06.
What are you up on there?
The options aren't shown accurately yet. Bid 0, ask 40 on AGN. Guys, take a look at USO today as well. Up another 5% today.
USO.
Continuing that climb.
They were up 9.
Let's see that get up to that 50, right around 25, and break through that. Wow, that's pretty behind there.
That is pretty behind. This is pretty bad.
Yeah, that's 2 minutes behind.
That's CNBC for you, huh?
Alrighty, let's see SPY here. SPY, let's change that to today 1 minute. I'm going to be closing out my SPY put hedge here.
It says statistically significant reduction of about 74% in tumor cell proliferation was achieved over 22 days of dosing.
Alrighty, could you guys hear me a little bit better now? How's that now, guys? Is that a little bit louder? That should be a little bit better there, guys. Visa trade up $1,000 here. We're up 11% overall on our Visa trade, 12% overall, 13% overall on Visa. Look at that, continuing to run breakout momentum, almost nearing 183.
Go Visa.
Visa, I think. Now, you see what PayPal did, guys, right?
Wow.
Oh, man. Remember we had a PayPal trade like last week? I think we closed it out. Even PayPal. Jeff Walker, he called me this morning, right? He said, Dave, you know what? I made about 200% gain on PayPal.
Wow.
When he closed that out. I'm like, Jeff, I'm kicking myself in the butt today because that would have been probably about a 1,500% return.
Yeah.
And
if you would have kept it.
He's like, hey, I had a nice
Morning,
gain.
Tom.
He was happy with that. Look at PayPal still climbing here. Up 11%, up $14.
Visa high of the day at 183.19.
Visa still haven't. Well, we're up $1,100 on the Visa trade now, 15%. Avilio Rodriguez says PayPal. Tom Tagling says NVIDIA. Let's take a look at NVIDIA.
Who's still in the video?
Oh, NVIDIA. Are we still in NVIDIA?
No, who's?
Huh?
We closed that yesterday.
Yeah, I did close NVIDIA yesterday.
Loss.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Not too good, but
That would have been a big trade if I held on to that.
yeah. Noel made $1,000 on profit. Wow, Noel
What's that?
made $1,000 profit on PayPal. Great
Nice.
job.
So did that one Eric Anthony, I think. He said 1,700. He tagged us in a post on Facebook this morning.
that Twilio?
Eric Anthony, are you here? What'd you make on that trade you were showing? I think it was Twilio. Up 1,200 now on Visa. Visa is rocketing, guys. This is gonna be one you guys could day trade here. Visa is rocketing higher. Take a look at Visa. I'm just holding my calls here. I'm gonna sell my puts. These are the hedges we got yesterday
Market's up nice.
and sold that. Look at Visa continuing that run. That's in a nice breakout. Visa, what's it at now? 183.51. We should easily see 185 on Visa, by tomorrow, I'm thinking. And like I said, if Visa continues that run, I really think we could see Visa at $200 a share really soon. That's why people were asking me, about my position sizing. What's my biggest trades?
Oh, you beat
Visa?
6,000?
Visa, and I got a decent sized trade in Starbucks and oil. Now take a look. What's oil been doing? It's been doing nothing but climbing here, right? Also, Visa. Look what PayPal did. Visa's on the same path here. That's going to
swipe.
That's on the same path. We're going to see that continue to climb. Up 20% now on the Visa trade. And I got $6,000 in that trade. So, that's going to... Now, the ones that, you're not that confident in, not that certain in, those ones are going to be your smaller trades, your $1,000, $2,000 trades. But when you hit a nice home run with, like, what Visa is going to be here, the first 2 days it struggled a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
But now she's taking off, and look at that now, 21%, 35% gain today. Up 1,300 on the Visa trade there. That's looking great. Let's see what else. The Starbucks trade's up 400 today. USO's up 100 today. Carnival Cruise Line's up 150 today. Allergen now's up today. Looking good. Colavery says Apple.
Apple. We haven't traded Apple in a long
We talked about Apple yesterday again.
It changed
Look at the daily chart on Apple there. I mean, it's just clear breakout momentum. Big candles breaking up above the previous candle's body, and there's just nice breakouts there. Apple, Nvidia. I really think Nvidia is going to be another one that's going to see new highs. I think that one's going to break 320 next week.
Nvidia. You love Nvidia.
Yeah. And remember when this was going on, the coronavirus back in February, March, I said, guys, first stocks that are going to break out is going to be tech. Tech's the strongest sector on the market right now on Wall Street. So as you see, Facebook, Nvidia.
Tech.
Let's see what Facebook's do. Maybe we can make another trade on
How
Facebook.
close behind is biotech?
Biotech's important. Moderna. I wanted to take a look at Moderna, guys. Moderna, phase 2 of the coronavirus trials.
Vaccine.
The vaccine trials. They just passed them to phase 2 there. So that's great. They're the leader here in the vaccine, obviously. There's no one else in phase 2. So this is a big deal.
So we saw them up almost 16% pre-market. Now they're up about 11%. But still good.
I'm up 23% now on the Visa trade. Avilio Rodriguez, are you still in the first Nvidia trade we made that I sold yesterday? Or are you in a different trade there? Good morning, Sky Jack, Joe K, Gio Feliz, Tim Thomas. Good morning, guys. There goes Visa again. Wow, look at the gains there on Visa. That's going to be a really nice setup there.
And remember that Visa trade is fueled by our profits, so that's house money on that.
Yeah, because we had another Visa trade before this,
one
right?
Closed out.
I like that.
So it feels even better on that.
Yeah. That hedge paid off beautifully. I mean, I was down 1,500 on the hedge. My long calls were up $2,000. So still got a profit and still protected myself. And that's what was most important.
Did you sleep good? I mean, despite you leaving last night at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
But did you sleep good knowing that you had a hedge on your calls?
Well, yeah, I wasn't worried about that
You're
whatsoever.
still gonna make the spread on that.
I wasn't worried about that whatsoever. Visa trades now up 25%. Up 1,600 for the day on Visa.
184.
I think we'll see Visa at 185 today.
Yeah.
Maybe 190 tomorrow.
Would you look into locking some profits and fueling another trade?
On Visa, not yet. Not until I have at least a 50%.
50%.
You're forgetting we have the June 19th Expo on Visa. You know, and we're already in the money, deep in the money.
HAL is up almost 5%. Wow.
Oil's continuing to look great there, especially as each state continues to open up.
I think we saw the bottom of oil.
Yeah,
The bottom
we
of the barrel.
definitely did. We called the bottom. CCL, take a look at this. Guys, yesterday I did a live video for members. I did that. What'd you guys think? I didn't see any feedback from that. What'd you guys think of our live? I mean, what did that turn into? Over an hour?
Yeah.
Efrain was supposed to do a video with you
got
guys.
hijacked.
Elias is asking about you in the room.
Got hijacked with the E-Trade. Elias, let me scroll up. Sorry, we were just going through our morning charts. Let me look for your question here.
He said, Elias said he's up 100% on the Visa he entered last night at the close. Nice job on that. Nice. Carnival Cruise Line's holding that 20 pretty well. Here's the daily chart. I zoomed in a bit. As you can see, holding that 20.
Today is really disinfectant, kills 100% viruses and bacteria.
Look at MasterCard. MasterCard, you have the May 15th 285 call sweeps coming in. That might be a good trade there. Ooh, MasterCard's looking great here as well on the daily chart. Costco.
Yeah, Elias. I have it. We'll post it. We'll post it on the site somewhere.
What's that?
The video.
Oh, from
last
yesterday?
night. Yeah. Thanks, Medge Life. It's good to see you guys last night.
It was.
Dad
was
there
awesome.
as well too.
That was my
Really?
first time using Zoom, and able to, I love that setup. How I was able to see all you guys, talk to you guys.
Yeah,
That was
C-Man
really neat.
there. Yeah, Elias. Sheesh, with all caps, screaming at me.
Yeah, I thought so too. B Vroom says it was so very helpful, and I'm looking forward to tonight's training. Thank you, David Efrain. Thank you.
Our pleasure. We're excited.
Sergi says he's up 35% this morning on Square. Costco, I don't know what people were saying about Costco being down. I mean, I see it. It's up today.
They reported their April sales.
Yeah, I saw that
And they do
yesterday
that
after
monthly.
hours, and it had a big drop after hours yesterday. Right now, it's holding above that 1020 SMA.
When they announced it, I was like, what? They
Yeah,
announced their
yeah, I
earnings?
thought it was something with
I was
earnings.
Like, wait, I
'cause
didn't miss their
I
earnings.
just heard it down the background there, and I'm like, huh? That's not supposed to be coming out yet.
Right after the bell, too, strategically.
Starbucks is still running here. Dr. Reber, are you in Starbucks still?
Just grabbing his coffee.
EA's worthless, Joe. That's an earnings trade. That's not doing anything. What's that?
Medge Live. Best part of the video, Dave said, I don't want to talk much and let Ephraim show you Thinkorswim. Then Dave takes over for 50 minutes. Hijack.
Yeah, I did. I'm sorry for hijacking that video yesterday, guys. I'll let Efrain do the video today.
It was great.
Yeah.
No, they want you today. I'm excited for
I
that.
think they want you.
I'm excited for today.
I think they want you.
I'm excited for today. I have my notepad here.
Oh, Mo wants the link for the video yesterday
How can
too.
we post it on the? I'll figure it out.
Yeah, figure
I'll
it out.
Let
Well,
me,
guys, we'll post the video in here in the afternoon. I was gonna do the video. Do you want me to do the video in the afternoon here or after close? Yeah, after close. I was thinking 4:30, 5 o'clock. Reeves, I got the July 17th 75 call on Starbucks. It's looking good. Got about 6,000 in it. GE says coconut.
Mayor de Blasio speaking out on his daily COVID update.
I see. I'm glad I got. Remember, I got rid of that like 2 days ago. GE.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's still continuing that drop there. The last couple of candles
Where's
still
that?
lower.
Where's it at right now?
It's at 612. It was below 5 yesterday, or below 6.
Visa holding at 20.
MMYNY says, can we do live trading 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.? I love it for the same price.
Every single day.
No, thank you. If it was easier dealing with everything, then yeah, but this is pretty stressful.
Join us tonight for our training.
Yeah, we're gonna have training tonight, and that's gonna be free for all you guys. We're gonna do a quick little session there for you guys, going over the trade plan and targets, how to find your entries, your stops, how to find your target profit areas, your support, your resistance, and we'll go over a little bit of hedging there, because I want to make sure you guys are aware of that. That's really important with trading there.
22 large mining companies in Peru ready for gradual restart in the coming days.
Visa's breaking out again here, guys. Nice climb coming on Visa.
65% silver, 42.
You got out of your Uber puts, right?
Yeah, we sold those yesterday for a nice gain.
Yeah, MD Fin, we got out of our Uber puts yesterday.
Yeah, we got out of Uber puts yesterday on live video here. We took a nice profit on those Uber puts. Let's see, Mo's talking about shop.
Shop was downgraded to from 700 to 500.
If he has a share in shop, I would definitely. I mean, what did you get in at? What'd you get in at, Mo, on Shopify? I would definitely sell. I mean, look at the run it had from 350 to 750. You know, when that retraces, it's going to have a big retracement. So I just take the profits, wait for that retracement, look for that successful bounce off the support or SMA, and then re-enter.
You think a downgrade from Wells Fargo this morning?
I don't think that's doing much at all for it. No. That would be shown now. It's only down 1%, which isn't much for a big downgrade like that from Wells Fargo. So still strong. Good morning, Danielle Huang. So I'm gonna have the session today at 5 p.m. Alrighty, so you guys, I want you to be aware of it. Our session's gonna be at 5 p.m. If you go in the trade room on the website, I'm gonna be posting the link in there, and that'll be for any member of Breaking Chart Alerts, and also for you guys. If you guys aren't a member, you can message us on Breaking Chart Alerts, and I'll let you guys in on this this one video here. Oh, Mo says, wow, 68 bucks. Mo got in Shopify when it was $68 a share.
$68.
68 bucks.
When was
wow.
it $68?
Holy smokes.
Was that?
Hey, Dr. Reeb, you got some competition there. Mo got in at 68 bucks. What did Reebs get in at? I think he got in around 500, 600, right? $68. Wow, that's going way back. So
I was trying to go back a year.
he must have got in like 2017, Mo. Tyler Cummings says he's in MasterCard 280 calls. I was looking at MasterCard. I'm thinking about making a longer term MasterCard trade here as well. I think Square is going to be a nice mover. That's definitely going to want to. Oh, look at it taking off
No
here.
worries,
Yeah,
Elias.
I got to get in. I got to get in this, guys. I'm going to make a trade right now. I'm going to be getting in Square. I'm going to get the. I'm going to go with a little bit longer term than usual here. Just because we've had such a big climb in the market here, in case we retrace a little bit, I wanted to protect myself, make sure I have enough time for this trade. So let's take a look at the, first let's look at June 19th. Let's see what the 75 strike's going for. That's not too bad there. How about the 70? 70's going for only about $6. That's pretty cheap there. So at about $82, $83, we'd have 100% gain. I could definitely see that soon. That's June 19th. Let's see September. September, there's almost a double in the contracts, and that's because we're going into another earnings with Square there. So that's why that's adjusted like that. So let's see, June 19th. That's not too bad there. Or do I want to do a short-term trade here, go with the May 15th expo? I mean, the 72.50 strike call is dirt cheap. Even the 75, 5, 6, 7.
Navy Secretary nominee says Navy in rough waters primarily because of poor leadership, warns lack of trust.
I mean, Square could easily have another 6% move here, you know, and that would get us right up to that 77, 77.50 area, which would be a 100% gain if we went with the May 15th expo. So, I mean, this is totally going to be up to members what they feel more comfortable with. If they want a higher risk, you know, and a bigger gain there, May 15th.
What's cheaper?
Oh, May 15th is cheaper. That's only a week
Higher
till
risk,
expo, though.
cheaper.
Yeah. That has one pullback there. You're going to see a big retracement on that. You know.
So that would be a 3 out of 4 risk on the Sooner.
Yeah, at least. There goes Visa again, climbing off that 1020 cross. I'm thinking here, let's see. June 19th, 70 strike. Now you could do something like tomorrow's expo on Square, May 8th, and go with that 72 strike for $1.69, and if it has another pop like this, you'd be up 200-300%. You know, so
That's a 4 out of 4.
yeah, that's a 4 out of 4 for sure.
Cat 4.
I'm just deciding what I want to do here. You know, do I want to go with a call, or do I want to do a spread, and do I want to do the May 15th expo or the June 19th? I'm going to think about that as we see what the markets do here. Carnival Cruise Line's getting a nice pop today, up almost 5%. There goes Visa again. Nice breakout there on Visa.
Using that 20 for support.
What's up?
Visa using that 20 as support.
Yeah.
So a break, if you're day trading, if anybody's in a day trade and they see a break below that 20, that's a sign.
That's your exit for a day trade, absolutely. Well, if you're in breakout momentum, first candle below that 10 is your exit. Take profits. For a tight day trade, yeah.
And those you have to micromanage.
And Visa, we're looking for a break above 184 here for it to have that next run. If we could break 184, I'm pretty confident we could see 185 today and then maybe even 190 by tomorrow if the markets hold up and keep this run going on.
Swipe away.
I mean, take a look at the cues here. Look at what we've done for the past few days here. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight here. We've been climbing off that 10 bounce. So we bounced off the 10-day simple moving average on Qs. We're getting a nice climb here off that 10-day simple moving average. So markets are still climbing. I think we could see Qs at 230 next week. Oh, look at that. Dr. Reeves said they opened the flight school. He's going flying this morning.
Oh.
Hey, Doc,
Uh-oh.
I just signed up Efrain for a flight tomorrow, right? Tomorrow?
Yeah, gee, thanks.
Yeah.
I got my anxiety back.
I know. I took him yesterday. He went in the cockpit of a Cessna 172.
Oh man,
He was excited.
It is.
He was
small in
grinning ear to ear.
there. I think that was a grin of nervousness.
Yeah.
We
Wait,
have
you'll be flying
Gio.
it tomorrow.
Gio's another.
Oh, Gio's
friend
a
of ours,
pilot too? Yeah. Oh,
He's
nice.
a pilot for
We're
American
going to have to all
Airlines.
get together, all the pilots here.
Gio, so I'm doing my discovery flight tomorrow. Any last words for me?
Visa calls. There goes Visa again. Now up again. 25% on Visa. Nice run on Visa. Starbucks is having another big run here. Let's bring up Starbucks. I think we're going to have some really good day trading tomorrow. I'm excited for tomorrow's day.
Fun Friday.
Every Friday, we've been doing
Fun
great with our
Friday.
day trades. Yeah, on Expo Day.
Fun Friday. Hand rubbing Friday.
Yeah. Let's see Visa break that 184. I'm keeping that at the back of my eye here. 184. Let's see that. Oh, Zamboni gave us some thing. He likes the open trade ticker on top. Thank you. I'm gonna fix that today so it's it looks nicer. There goes Visa breaking 184. Now up 30%.
There it is. That's you called it.
30% on our Visa trade already.
A break over 184.
I think we'll see 185 on Visa today. If anyone's not in a trade yet, Visa is looking great. I'd be jumping in Visa.
What would you look? What trade idea for Visa?
Visa, you can even do the May 15th Expo on Visa. You know, a shorter
Closer?
term trade. I mean, I have the June 19th 180 strike call, but that is looking fantastic. June 19th, or if you wanted to do the May 15th, we could take a look. If you guys aren't in a trade yet, I'm going to give you this trade idea right here.
Ooh, you should really look in Square. Square's
Square's still breaking out?
Square looks like she wants to break a little.
I was
higher.
just going over Square. It was at 72. Yeah. Yeah, she's looking ready for another breakout. It's consolidation, though. Remember here?
Consolidating, so
Look at
break
that.
above
On a today
72.
1 minute chart, you got a big consolidation box right here. We're seeing that 1020 cross. So a break above, let's just say 73, 72.98. A break above that, you're going to be entering into Square with the trade plan and looking for that next breakout up to 75 for a short-term trade. There goes Visa again.
Antibody test in the next few weeks.
Wow. So the Visa, wow, look at Visa pop in there. So Square too. Guys, big climb on the market. Big climb on the market here.
73. She broke. We got it. Nice, good job, Elias. 120% on Visa.
Nice, Elias. Tyler said he's up 40% on MasterCard. Nice job.
You're now seeing a lot of
Mike Francic up 30% on Visa. She's going to 185 today.
Visa? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Are you still in that, Mike?
DBX drop off, seeing activity in the May 22 fall now. Drop off 240.
So Visa, if they wanted a short-term trade, I'd be looking at the 185 for May 15th Expo. That looks fantastic. If they want a high-risk overnight trade, which I think is still going to be great, I would do the Visa 185 strike call for tomorrow's Expo. You know what? I think I'm going to get a couple calls of that. May 8th, 185. $1.43. I mean, I'm already in a $6,000 Visa trade, so I'll just get a couple contracts of this, see what
Okay.
happens with it.
So for the Visa 185, May 15th, trade idea?
Yeah, that's not bad. What I put in for $1.38, that just popped big there.
This one's for your high risk.
That's just a trade idea for them if they're not in this. There we go. I made a small little $400 trade on Visa for tomorrow's Expo 185 strike at $1.43. And that was just executed. I love saying that word, executed.
What'd you get in on?
At $1.43.
$1.43.
Wow, look at our Visa calls for the June 19th Expo. Nice gains on that. I'm up $1,700 on that trade alone. Nice day. Starbucks is still climbing. I'm up $700 on Starbucks. Tyler said he jumped in that with me. He sold MasterCard for a 54% gain. Nice job, Tyler. Nice job. Look at that. Nice job, Tyler Cummings. Sold MasterCard for a 54% gain.
Great job, Tyler C. Up 90.
Roxy Cox up 97%. Art Cox up 97% on Piton yesterday. Rolled into Piton today at 125% gain. Nice job there. Nice. King Alex needs you up there.
Yeah, it's aviation here.
LWAY, Lifeway Foods, debuts commercial self-serving manufacturing healthcare retail heroes, LWAY.
Chio goes, if you push down the houses, get big. If you pull back houses, get small. Have fun. Thanks for the advice, buddy.
Vincenzo Fiacco, 300% gain on PayPal. Look at that. Oh, Vincenzo, remember we had the PayPal calls for the May 15th Expo? I sold for a small gain. Jeff Walker sold for about 200%. You guys sold for a nice gain too. I sold for what, like I think it was like a 70% gain or something. I'm not sure what it was. Maybe
7 or something.
Yeah, something like that. I forget. We make so many trades here, but PayPal trade. If we held that same trade till today, oh my God, that'd be up over 1,500%.
Is Jumpin' Jeff here?
Jeff Walker, are you in the trade room? If you are, give us a shout out there. Let's see. Oh, look at Square continuing that pop there, continuing that climb. Nice job, Tyler. Nice job, Vincenzo Fiacco. 300%ers. I love that. Love that. Diego says he's in the 185 call on Visa May 8th as well, up 30% so far. Nice job, Diego. Diego was totally new to options there, and you know, he seems like he's doing really good. I'm proud of you, Diego. Nice job there, buddy. Captain Thomas is talking to you.
Cap. Where's Cap?
He said, keep the pointy forward and the greasy side down.
Oh, gosh.
You know what he means by that? No.
My heart is racing again.
He doesn't even know what that means yet, Cap.
I might need a doggy bag when I bring it up.
Make sure you video record it. I always video record all my flights, yeah. It's important because and then in training you could go back over it. Look at Square still climbing there and looking good. Boeing option alerts. The 130 call sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at Boeing and AMD, seeing what they're doing. Oh, look at Boeing up over 5% now. 127.83. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. This one might get up to 150. You know, it's just trading that sideways between this support and resistance. Support, resistance, support, resistance. So this is one that usually could trade quick for a little day trade there, swing trade.
Dave, our new member, one of our newest members, Eric Anthony, turned $400 into $3,100.
No way, did he?
Wow.
Wow, look
Wow.
at that, guys. Eric
Wow.
Anthony. He turned $400 into $3,100 this morning on Visa, Square,
Amazing.
IAC, Twilio, T-Mobile. Held overnight. Did some high
And those
risk.
were on yours. Those were your trades. And was that using the trade plan?
That was his trades using the trade plan, except Visa probably, but nice. Wow, that's a nice job, Eric Anthony. Well done.
Calling if the greasy side is up, push forward to go up. Do we have any other pilots? We have Geo, Captain Thomas.
ECB's Lagarde says the second wave of the virus is among the top fears.
Let's see, Visa, if it's going to pop off that 20 there.
Elias, the numbers will be super high. Super, super high.
What's up?
If we tested everyone for the flu, would the numbers be high? Way high.
Yeah.
A lot of people would just take their home remedies. Avoid going to the doctors. Look at Square. Almost at 70. Almost at 78.
Wow, look at that.
Can we finish that trade idea?
On what?
Square?
We just did one on Visa. Square's still going to run. Yeah, let's do one on Square. Look at the 3-month daily on Square. I mean, there's no question it's going to get to 80. I think this one we could go with the May 15th Expo, you know? But then again, we might have that retracement next week. That's why I'd rather a little bit longer term trade on Square, like the June 19th Expo.
Visa holding at 20. We saw Visa holding at 20 earlier.
Don't speak too soon there. Don't jinx us on that Visa. I'm watching it right here.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah. I'm watching it there at that 20. Oh, you spoke too soon there, E. There she drops.
Come on. Let's see the cues.
Mo said he's going to pay off his mortgage now with Shopify.
Nice.
That's nice.
Colin, I'm a model airplane pilot, have my own runway on my property. I like it because you nosedive.
That's cool.
CBEV, Centennial Resource Development, getting up here.
Look at that, though, Mo. Gonna pay off his mortgage. He got in Shopify at, what did he say?
68.
Wow. That's a nice trade there, Mo. Take a look at Starbucks still climbing here as well.
Medj Live, I'm scared of small flights too. You have no idea.
Yeah, guys, it's a glider. It's a natural glider. It's a high wing airplane. You know? The only thing you have to worry about is if something mechanically goes wrong. Because if something mechanically...
Only if something mechanically goes wrong.
You know, then, you know, like, you don't want one of your, you know, something happen to your rudder, your aileron, you know, and then you can't fly the plane, and then you're just, like, counting down till your death. You know?
That's the worst that could happen. It's fine.
You'll be fine tomorrow.
Hilton on their call centers have suspended about 16% of their hotel operations. That's HLT Hilton.
Gio, you should come fly over to Orlando.
Robert Clark, Visa, May 15th, 310 strike. Huh? 310 strike on Visa?
No.
I don't even think you could have the 210 strike.
No, that's way too high. I think he wrote that entry twice.
I wonder what he's talking about there. Robert Clark, I'm not sure what you're saying there. Medj says, Dave, you need to stay alive a couple more decades for this group. I'm a great pilot, Medj. There's no worries there.
Presentation says expects to take 1 A2
Dave, what's an Edge 340?
Huh?
What's an Edge 340? Colin goes, jump in an Edge 340, and your butt cheeks will hold it there. I'm scared to look at this.
I don't know. Yo, do you know actually in Orlando here they have a fighter jet. So a private company bought a fighter jet. It's expensive. It's about $3,500, but they take you for a ride in the fighter jet, and you get to fly it while you're in the air.
Seriously?
Yeah. It's expensive though. It's $3,500.
What they do, like?
But you get to
barrels
I
or
think it's like a 45-minute flight for $3,500. But you do barrel. Yeah, you could go on the site. They do barrel rolls. They do everything.
I'll puke right now.
That'd be fun, but I don't know about wasting
Would you do that?
$3,500 on it. Well, the guy is a flight trainer, so
You
what
do it
he
once
told me,
in a
he
lifetime.
said, if I have my IFR license, my instrument flight rule license there, then, or the, what do you call it? Once I have that, then I could, what was I getting at there? I forget what I was getting at there.
For the flight.
Oh, well, once I
fighter
have the
jet.
IFR, he said he could actually put in my pilot logbook that I trained on that.
Mm-hmm.
So then I'd have training in a fighter jet. So you could log that in your logbook. Here's my logbook right here. I'll show you. I keep this at the office just in case, me and my wife get in an argument. I don't know.
You gotta go.
This is like my Bible,
I'm going.
So see, this is what they're gonna do for you.
Now, they need to have a proper head train, INTX.
Visa's getting a nice pop there. Nice. We had a little chat, watched it
I'm
climb.
not saying nothing more of the
Yeah.
of the V.
Keep your mouth shut about V.
No more V.
You like that?
Yeah.
You see how they log your hours in there?
Discovery flight. I see it.
That's your first one. Now go on the next pages. You'll see all the flight training. They'll say what courses we
I'll
did.
get this tomorrow.
What's that?
I'm gonna get this tomorrow.
Well, you're going to have to, if you want to purchase one, they're probably going to, or maybe they'll give you one. I don't know. But they also have a digital one. You can download the app. I got the app too. They have the app for the pilot logbook. Coconut says he was in the air crew. E3 AWACS in the Air Force for 16 years.
Look at you. No, thank you, Colin. I see those Red Bull Air Racing. No way, Jose.
IFR, I follow roads. Why would that be IFR for I follow roads though? Wouldn't that be VFR? Because VFR is your visual flight rules. So visual, you have to look at the roads. IFR, that's when you're flying in the clouds. Dave, can you look at Amazon and review and give me some ideas? All right, let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon's still holding above that 20 SMA, right? Amazon's looking great here. I'd be a buyer. I'd be looking at a short term, maybe May 15th, target of 24.50. I think we went over that yesterday again about that 24.50 area on Amazon. That's looking great. I think that's going to get up there. Might act as resistance right at around 24.50 and might see a pullback there, but I like that. Nice setup there. Come on here, Visa. Visa's at some support here for the day. Want to see that breakout. Robert said it's the Baileys. Oh, Robert's the one that drinks coffee and Baileys and cream in the morning every day.
Did you have your Baileys today?
That's nice. I'm going to have to try that, Robert. Here's my Starbucks here. Gio Felice says, these days I only fly if I'm getting paid. I love flying. I don't care if I'm getting paid or not.
Well,
it's just a thrill,
job.
I don't think we'll see the markets red today. Let's take a look at the diamond. Diamond's holding that 20 really nice. Market's up around 250 points, over 1%. Holding. Now, see, here's the thing, though, with a diamond. Notice how it's trading between the 20 and the 10 SMA. It's still holding above the 20, so we're still in breakout momentum. but you're being cautious here because you're trading between that 1020, and the candles have become much smaller than they have been previously. So you got to be prepared for any type of move here on the diamond ETF. Keep an eye on that.
We have FedEx. FedEx getting a pop here, top of Foxtrot November
Market's
trade.
pulling back a little bit here.
To the highs now, 620, up 8%. PFNX.
Gio said that was a corny aviation joke.
Oh.
The I follow roads.
I like it.
XCLA, low price stock. Acceler getting a pop here, XCLA.
I know, Medge Life. I want to ask Mo that as well too. What's your next shop alike buy?
Color varies. Diamond is your industrials. Q is more your tech. It's just different ETFs there. You can check out what's in them. I'm not sure exactly what they keep in them now. They change them, delist, add. Vinny says Visa's struggling to break through that 10. I know, I'm watching that over here. Keep an eye on it. I'm watching Diamond here as well. I want to see Diamond break above that 10.
Mike Frantic, that PayPal failing that 50. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it breaking that 50 or the 10. It's trading below all SMAs.
Oh yes, Tyler, still holding that. There goes Diamond.
And if you get into a put, look for a break above that 10. PayPal's up almost 11%. I see a little sell-off.
Is that still running today?
Yeah, it's failing now. Broke below the 50.
It's been at 142-ish for most of the day, trading between 142, 145. I think PayPal's going to have a big pullback from these highs here.
He's asking if puts are a good idea.
Yeah, I was thinking about PayPal puts.
And
on my drive here to work this morning, I was thinking about that. Come on, Visa and Diamond, hold that up and keep that run going.
McConnell says Senate likely to take up China human rights bill.
China human rights bill. M had a nice move this morning, almost up to 148. Now it retraced back down to 145. And 145, that's what I'm watching here. Below 145, I'm out of it.
Joe, that PayPal hit, that was just a trade.
There goes Visa.
Puts on it.
Looks like Visa is going to start that breakout. First candle above the 10. Let's see if it holds and gets that confirmation candle. I think Visa is really going to take off there. Let me see. Who said that? Mike Frantic. I really think Visa is going to take off like PayPal did over the. Visa seems to lag a little bit behind PayPal. So if PayPal has a 10% move over a month, it might take Visa, 2 months to do it. That was a bad example. It's not going to take 2 months to have a 10% move there, but you get the picture. You know, whatever PayPal does, Visa's usually lagging behind there a little bit.
Mike Francis, you can see Visa, PayPal, and take a look at Diamond as well too. You'll see this. You'll see how those stocks are reacting to the same indicator, and that goes along with Colo Various' question above about using those as key indicators.
EDX drop rocks at the highs now ahead of earnings. Delta Bravo heads trade.
Visa's holding that 50 nice there.
Israel's El Al Airlines extends unpaid leave of about 6,000 workers.
Eric's up 38% on Twilio. Or is he saying Twilio's up 38%? Let's see. Twilio's up 38%. That's just continuing to climb there. Wow. Look at that move on Twilio, guys. Look at that chart.
Yeah, she's a beauty.
Breaking news on CNBC. Neiman Marcus files a bankruptcy. Officially. We announced that, like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah. Yeah. Hertz is next. They're putting their team together. They haven't officially filed, but they're...
Ooh, look at that Hertz there, Vincenzo Fiacco. Look at that. Nice climb off that 50. Starting to break out again. Tyler Cummings, you still in that? Nice climb there. Yeah, that Twilio there, Captain Thomas. That's a pretty big move there. What a move.
OCUL, Ocular Therapeutics spiking to the highs. Oscar Charlie Uniform Lima.
Mike, I'm going to hold on to Allergen till tomorrow.
OCUL reporting their earnings before they open tomorrow.
Come on, Visa. I wanted to see it continue that run there. Look at Twilio still bouncing off that 10. Look at that Twilio run. Wow, look at it go. Another big candle. See how it got down to that 10, like right here. It retraced down to that 10. Then look at the size of that green candle. Breakout. Retrace down to that 10. Next candle, huge candle. Breakout. Retrace down to that 10. Nice green candle there. Big candle. Nice cycles there with Twilio. Gabe, you're still in Visa, aren't you? I'd like to add to Visa if we get a nice climb here above 185.
Galactic getting a pop here.
Ooh, Virgin Galactic popping. SPCE.
Space.
Wow, look at Space running there. Up 4.7%. 1940 a share. From 1870 to 1940 there in about 7 minutes. Let's see Visa there bouncing off that 10 too.
Moscow lockdown extended until May 31st. That's an AFP.
Wow, Moscow lockdowns till the end of May. Look at Space go there. Wow. That's breakout momentum right there, guys. She could climb another dollar today. See, markets are pretty flat right now. That's why we're just sitting back and watching the markets here. You know, not really too much going on. If we could get a breakout in Visa above 185, I might add to that. Starbucks is looking great. That Costco trade. Holding at that 10 now. There goes Visa. Let's see Visa break 184 again. Costco's in BDM. That was one of Ragu's favorites, right? Wonder what he's doing with it now.
Where's Ragu?
I don't know where he is. Tenny got in Visa. Tenny, you still coming down to Florida, or is that canceled now? Mohammed says, Dave, what do you think of Gush?
House Leader McCarthy says Congress should wait on next coronavirus bill to see impact of assistance already allocated.
Mohammed, it's bouncing off that 10 right now, so that might be a good entry there. You could look for a short-term target of 42.50. Long-term? Man, oil stocks have been beaten down so much. Look at what this was earlier this year. 1,600. Now it's 36 bucks. There goes Visa over here to the right, guys. Take a look. Visa's holding that 10. You got that 1020 cross, the MACD's cross. It looks like we could break that 184. This is going to go and test new highs of the day here.
House committee process.
Mohammed, but you're asking me about this one here? That's not too bad. Not bad. I like USO as well. USO's having a nice day.
USO.
We need that to start to run again. Once we get up to about 30 with USO, we'll be in good shape.
Oh, hey, Ragu.
What's that?
He's here.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. Ragu.
AD&P getting a pop here. Alpha Delta Michael Papa. Other low price bio stock.
I'm interested in going checking that out.
The Carvana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said it's like a slot machine?
No,
A
is that
vending machine?
Carvana? Yeah, Carvana's the one, right?
Yeah.
No, Vassal, still in 3M.
UCF is the consensus that's coming up in about 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes now.
Wow, look at that climb on Uber. Uber's having a huge day. Maybe we could, yesterday we made some money on some puts on Uber. Maybe today we could get some,
Hey,
maybe
Uber
do a day
reports after
trade.
the bell
Up
today.
8% today.
Earnings after the bell.
They just did a $150 million investment in that Lime, the bicycle or the scooter company.
Oh, that's fun. Have you done that?
No.
Oh, that's fun.
I tried it down in Celebration. I downloaded the app. There goes Visa, guys. Nice breakout on Visa.
Reporting their earnings Friday ahead of the open.
Broke above 184.
Diamond broke above 50.
What's that?
Diamond broke above 50.
Nice. Another climb coming. Yes. Wow, the Dow's up 300 now. Natty's up 108.
Sweet.
Nice.
But Uber buying the scooters. You know,
Not buying, they're investing.
They're investing?
150 million.
those
I
are
want
fun
to try
downtown.
those scooters.
Yeah.
I was gonna get a scooter, but then I end up. I don't know. I was thinking, what's that other thing I wanted to get?
There's another Bird. There's Bird is another brand.
They have these electric bikes now, but they're like really manly bikes. They're like big, bicycles, but with a motor on them.
Oh, really?
It looks fun. Look at that big breakout on Visa.
Wow.
Wow. Hey, our Visa day trade, Tyler, it's back in the green now. I was just down 40% on that Visa day trade. It's
Let's
now
go.
up 3%. There goes Uber again. Let's see. I'm telling you, Visa wants to take out 185 today. I'm keeping my eye on Visa. I'm locked in. I got about 30 grand here on trade, so
Well, that's pretty.
that's a big position. So I'm gonna watch those, manage those trades.
We have Roku, Uber, Trade Desk, Booking reporting after the bell.
Okay.
Dropbox, amongst a few.
Oh, we heard earlier too. Ulta's opening some of their stores in Texas and some other states as well.
Oh, wow.
Ulta. We're gonna have to take a look at Ulta. Look at that. PayPal. Oppenheimer maintains outperform on PayPal holdings. Raises price target to $140 a share.
You know who was taking over Ulta?
Now dropping here $1.93. Again, 190 CF build on natural gas versus the
Oh, okay. What's that?
expected.
You know what took over Ulta during this time? These filters. The digital filters.
Wait,
The
what's
makeup
that? What'd
filters.
you hear?
The digital filters.
What about
The
them?
makeup. You know how the filters for Snapchat,
Yeah.
Instagram.
Who makes
Make sure it
those?
makes just those companies.
Ulta. I mean, all the women are probably Virginia's been buying makeup from Chanel lately. So
Oh.
she just got out yesterday. She when she came here last night, she goes, "Dave, I just sent your family some Mother's Day gifts." I'm like, "What? Oh, that's nice."
Yeah.
I'm thinking, "Oh, good. It takes some." Like, "What'd you got?" They're like, "Oh, I sent them some Chanel." I'm like, "Huh?" So I guess my mother
tell you
will
the
be
bill?
loving Mother's Day. What's that?
Did she tell you the bill? The
Yeah.
damage?
Yeah. Look at Visa Go, still climbing. Tyler up 5% on the Visa day trade.
Let's see.
Wow,
what
I'm up $1,800 on the Visa June calls. Nice, nice, nice. There goes Visa again. Look at that breakout there, climbing at the highs of the day. There goes Uber. Markets are taking off. Here comes the next run on the markets, guys. Joe says Clorox. Look at Uber go. Wow, look at that breakout on Uber, up almost 10% here for the day. Let's take 3-month daily, 6-month daily. Starbucks on the climb. Yeah, Visa's getting that move, guys. I want to see it break above this resistance right here. If we could break above that resistance on, let's say, 184.60. If we could break above 184.60, we're going to be golden for the rest of the day here. Hey, those Visa day trades now up 8%, Tyler Cummings.
I'm watching the Diamond, and she is going to move higher.
Diamond is breaking out here. Qs are running. Market is on the climb. There goes Visa again. 10% gain on the Visa day trade. 12% gain.
Visa.
12% gain on the Visa day trade. Wow. What a nice run there. There it is there, Tyler Cummings.
Yes, come on,
TC.
Diamond. Push your Diamond.
Oh, we're going to have a nice climb today. I want to see the Dow up 1,000 points. That's not going to happen. It's just going to happen slowly here, but we're going to continue this run. There's no... And remember, we called this right when they started opening. I said, guys, the markets are going to continue. And what, 5 straight days now? What, 200 point gains or more?
Yep.
There goes Visa, new highs of the day. 15% gain on our Visa day trade. And let's see, how much are we up on the other one? Up 32% on the June Expo. Wow, $1,900 on that, and then $100 on that day trade.
How much are you up? Well, the percentage for Visa?
Visa for what, the June Expo? 32%. Day trade today, 15%. Avilia Rodriguez says Square is popping. Who is that on there?
Huh?
I think Charlie took a break.
Square.
JetBlue says timing of London launch may be delayed and
Come on, Visa, keep that run going. There we go.
Diamond.
That's JBO.
Break
Here we
right
go.
here.
What's that?
Come on, Diamond. Diamond's trying to break right here.
No, Matt Jones. I did not sell AGN. Still in AGN. Yeah, Costco's eating my
Pioneer Natural Resources.
calls. I'm down $1,200 on Costco today. That's really a low blow there.
Recovering to $45 a barrel. These very few shell companies growing output.
Ragu had me get the May 15th Costco calls. So
$1,000 barrel.
just
High risk.
busting you there.
High risk.
Visa 11% gain on the day trade. The Costco is May 15th. That's about 310 strike. Let me take a look at Costco over here. Costco was higher today. It was looking great, and then it just sharply pulled back there. Look at that big sharp pullback right here. It was looking great today. Vinny, I think there's better trades than Costco out there. Want to see that next big breakout on Visa. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep that run going, Visa. There we go. 17% gain now on the day trade. 18% on day trade. 35% on the swing trade.
High of the day on Square 74.
A Havis says 27% gain on Visa. Thank you.
Havis, are you in our day trade or is that the
He's got to be in the swing trade.
Swing trade?
Yeah.
Getting small amount of volume now.
Karen Decker says, Dave, I have Snap 619 17 strike call. It seems to be at support at 3 months. Do you think it will break out or should I ditch it? Let me take a look here at Snap.
Oh, A Havis is on the day trade.
Oh, he's on the day trade? Wow. He got in $1. Oh, he got in when it pulled back there. Nice job. Okay, what was I looking at? Snap. 3 month daily. Snap's up 2.5%. Snap looks like it's struggling with 18. I think she's still going to get up to 18, but once it breaks that 18, there's no question she's going to be heading for about $20. So I think Snapchat's a great long-term hold, Karen. You have the 619 Expo. I think you're still good with that. Eddie, I got a small trade on the Visa expiring tomorrow. $400 trade on the Visa trade expiring tomorrow. Now the Visa swing trade, I got about 6,000 in. Robert Clark said, time for another coffee and Bailey's after looking at the Costco chart. I'll be with you on that one.
Bailey's, no coffee.
Yeah, Bailey's, no coffee. Hold the coffee.
Maybe a Cafe Patron. What was that, Baby Guinness? You ever had that, Baby Guinness?
No?
Coffee Patron with Bailey's.
Oh,
really
yeah?
Good. It's dark on the bottom with like, you know how Guinness is?
Yeah.
Dark and then with the top portion.
Guys, Visa really looks like it's going to have a big breakout. I really want to add to this. You know, I mean, it really looks like I just got to be patient and hold this one here because it looks prime. And Visa is one of the ones that are more institutionally held,
Yep.
so it's a slower climber.
Got upgraded
You
by
know?
the big institutions last Friday.
Yeah, got upgraded last week.
Here,
I think that's going to be a hell of a
And
setup there.
It's the leader amongst its industry.
Eric Anthony says FVRR. Is that Fiverr? It is Fiverr. Wow, look at that pop on Fiverr. Unbelievable. So Fiverr is where you go looking for that work, you know? For
Indian, nothing earlier than collaboration
that's
on
doing really well. Look at that.
We use the VUSIX at a high of 230, up about 30% at the high on VUZI. The uniforms.
I wouldn't mind getting into Fiverr. I would not mind Fiverr.
Good job, Mo. Mo's hitting. Mo's having a good old day.
GNMK. That sounds so familiar. Genmark Diagnostics. Wasn't someone talking about that? Like,
Yeah.
wow, look at that. I remember this one. I think we bought this one a while ago. Look at what it's at now. $12.46. It was a $4 stock, $3 stock just a few weeks ago. I remember we did some type of trade on this. I know we did. GNMK. I think it was a day trade. Oh, nice pop on the markets there. There goes Visa again. Another nice run on Visa, guys. She's going for 185.
Diamond broke resistance.
Diamond broke resistance, having a climb. Diamond looks good. I'm watching the Diamond chart right above the Visa chart here. There goes Visa, 184.82. We're up 20% now on the Visa day trade.
Big candle on Diamond.
Huh?
Big candle on Diamond.
Green? Nice. We'll see Visa hit 185 shortly.
Oh, high of the day, Visa now.
Visa day trade now up 22%.
PayPal, Visa, card, all
At the highs of the day.
making new highs now. PYPL,
Thanks,
Thanks,
Charlie.
Appreciate it, Charlie.
He's like that 2-minute delay on CNBC. Wow, nice pop here in the account. I like that. I like what I'm seeing. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
Oh.
25% gain on the Visa day trade.
25%. When would you be looking to close it?
I'm probably gonna hold it overnight.
You hold it? But
Probably.
But for those that would like to close it, would that be a close below the 10?
Oh,
Anything
they
below
they
the
would
10,
close
the first
that.
candle
I
below
mean,
the 10?
I only have $400 in it, so for me that's my lunch, you know.
Yeah.
So for me it's like $400, But yeah, that definitely I would take profits if I were them by the end of the day.
But
On the day trade, now the swing trade I'd hold on.
the
to.
swing trade,
Yeah.
a close below the 10?
Swing trade,
20?
I want to add to that. Look at Visa go again. Wow.
Oh, Visa 185. Let's go. Can she push it? Diamond broke again. Another resistance.
Come on, Visa, 185. Break that 185. See, it's struggling at 185 there. Come on.
CNBC tweeting, Jim Cramer says, coronavirus could propel plant-based Beyond Meat into a giant like Amazon or Facebook.
Jim Cramer's saying Beyond Meat's going to be a giant like Amazon or Facebook. That's what he just tweeted on CNBC.
He's having too much Baileys.
Yeah, I think it's time for him to retire. Avilio Rodriguez says, I am loving Square. Let's take a look at Square.
High of the day.
I like that name,
75.
Avilio Rodriguez. Sounds like a famous horse racer or something, you know?
Juke.
Wow, look at that climb on Square. 75.27 now. When we were looking at that, I was at 73. I should have made that trade on
Should
it.
have.
Look at that breakout
have.
momentum, holding that 10. This is what's telling me Visa's going to continue that climb here as well. You know? Love it. Colavetti said he's trading stocks, not options. He's missing out on options big time. Vinny says locked in 30% gain on Visa swing trade. Got out of Costco for a 50% loss. That's good, Vinny. I'm glad that you're managing your trades like that, though. That's important. Mo up over 29% on GNMK. Mark says, I don't understand that. I tried Beyond and it tastes like garbage. Yeah, I know. I had the same experience. Now, I did have it at a restaurant once and it was pretty good, but the one I got at the store, it seemed like it was either old or, I don't know. Wasn't the same. Look at Square still running, almost at 76. That's going to get to 80 bucks. I really want to make a Square trade, but I'd want to close out some positions here first.
Yeah,
I should close out, my trades here and start next week off pretty fresh here.
What about a trade idea on Square?
Look at, oh my God, look at Square breaking
Yeah,
now,
the June
76. 12%. What's that?
You said you were looking at the June.
Yeah,
19th
I would
on Square.
definitely get into that. Here it is right here. It's still up here from before.
What would you get
Square, June 19th, 75 strike call.
into? Strike call. What's it going at right now?
$6.28. $6.25. I would do that.
What would be the target?
Target on Square is going to be between 80 and 85.
That's stop.
Stop on that would be 70.
Trade idea.
There we go. He's sending out a trade idea for you guys. Yeah, Ahab is definitely mushy. And when it bleeds like that beet juice, it looks like it's like,
Ew.
it looks like it's like period blood or something. It's so dark. You like gag when you're eating it. It's like, yeah, it's how you, maybe that was a little too detailed, right?
Sense, Dave.
Sometimes I don't watch what I say. But yeah, no, it's like a thick red, It's
Yeah.
the beets. I guess they formulated it
I haven't
like
tried
that.
it at all.
Yeah. Now I had it at one of these taco places before, and they put it in a burrito. Amazing. They season it great.
Really?
Yeah. Tenny says, made a lottery vertical expiring tomorrow on Square. Got the 75.80 vertical call for 61 cents. Now at $1.63. That's unbelievable. That's a nice trade there.
Shut
Let's
up.
see. Huh? I think that just came out a little bit too quick. I'm sorry, Gene Sebastian. Beyond Meat's gonna be suing me now if we get a call.
Look at Shen. Damn, Dave. Almost spat out my coffee.
Come on, Visa. I want to see it hold that 50 here and start that bounce again, that climb. Square's still looking good, 75, 50.
If you're day trading this Visa, would this be your exit here?
Exit, I'd do below 84.
Below 84?
That should be the new support on Visa here.
You guys hear that?
If you're day trading it.
Pay close attention on Visa if you're day trading it.
We love you too, Chevin.
Chev.
Really, we got a great family of traders here. I love our group. Especially now that we got that Zoom. It's exciting seeing them on camera and doing classes together like we did yesterday.
Chev, you
Love
tuning
it.
in later today with us?
There we go. There goes Visa again. Let's see that climb above 184.50 on Visa. Square's holding that 10, starting that climb again. Ragu said shop's breaking down here with a big red candle. Oh yeah, big candle there.
Shop bouncing off that 10. If anybody's in a day trade with... Oh, Square. Bouncing off that 10, sorry. Square.
Shop looks like a nice put entry there. Visa's taking off again. Square's taking off again off that 10.
Wow, Bob. Nice.
Bob
Way to
in
go.
and out of Visa 3 times. Took about $900 today. Nice job, Bob Logan. Nice.
Bob, you could buy a few cases of Beyond Meat.
Logie's up $900 today. Well done.
Elon Musk was on Joe Rogan's show, and that airs pretty soon. You know how crazy he is.
Oh, it didn't air yet?
Not yet. It comes out soon.
When?
I think Chevin says in an hour and 10 minutes.
Oh boy.
Tesla puts.
FEYE, highs of the day. There goes Square. Look at that breakout on Square. We should see Visa start that climb here too as well. Look at Square go. Did you send out that Square trade idea?
Mhm.
You did? She is taking off. She's at 76 now. Nice. Come on, Visa. Chevin said he had $100 in RH last month. It's at $1,800 now. Wow, nice. Nice job. Yeah, Mike, I think you're right. Mike Frantic said, I imagine Joe Rogan was not live, so Elon's lawyers can review it first.
Doubt it.
Yeah. You don't think so?
Elon,
Oh, yeah, the guy
he doesn't.
smoked on camera, right? What do you guys think of him smoking on camera, though? Do you guys condone that?
CEO, come on now.
Yeah.
I mean, you're the image of your company.
I don't think anyone really cared except the big Wall Street guy. I mean, look at
He's
what
always-
happened with the shares of Tesla, though. I mean, they look at what they took off. I don't think they
He's a
really
different
cared
breed.
about it too much.
He's a different breed.
He's a different
Not
breed.
everybody
alright.
can be Elon Musk.
I know.
Tweeting, getting in trouble with tweeting to pump up his stocks.
Disney, May 15th, 110 calls coming in.
There you
Let's
go,
take a look
Bob.
at Disney.
Bob loves Disney.
I thought he was short Disney, no? Was he short it? They're buying calls now. That's popping there, Bob.
But we got to get Bob an annual pass.
Yeah. He should. We can get him an annual pass and put a bedroom right in the office for him. He could join us on live video every day.
Bob, what do you say, an annual pass for Disney?
Mo said alcohol is worse. Mo is smoking and trading right now.
Bob, tell us how you really feel. Oh yeah, Chevin, I love Billions. It came out on this Sunday. Dave, do you watch Billions?
Who?
Billions, the show. I know you don't watch a lot
Oh,
of TV.
I
You don't
used to
much.
watch that when I lived in Pennsylvania, but
Yeah, so
I don't have
That's
I don't have much time for TV.
yeah. It just dropped on Sunday. I haven't caught that episode yet, Chevin.
Funding secured.
CNN reporting that a validated President Trump showed symptoms on Wednesday.
One of Trump's things there, assistants show symptoms of COVID-19.
Trump news.
Could you imagine if he got that?
Oh man.
I really don't think the market gives a damn anymore. Visa, what did I tell you before? 184. I want to see it hold that 184 here.
Seth, you're in Pennsylvania? I'm from Lancaster County, Lancaster, PA.
He's
city.
from Lancaster, and I'm from Scranton area, Lackawanna County.
Chester County.
I mean, obviously, I'm in Orlando now. I'm in celebration.
WW, June 30 call sweep now on WW.
Real close to you, Seth. What city in Chester?
Yeah, Mike, I think the same thing with the states opening. We're going to get more bad corona news.
S&P futures are
Yeah.
dropping here now.
Pike County.
Why are the S&P futures dropping?
Yo, Vince. Oh yeah, Vince. Our friend Vince, Pike County.
House Speaker Pelosi said next
That's up
summer,
your alley.
Oh, yeah, Vince, yep. He's by the Paul Pack, yep.
And Seth, Westchester.
Why is the market? We got to focus on the markets here. Markets dropping. Any news?
Just the Trump COVID.
Oh, hearing valet to President Trump has tested positive for coronavirus.
Oh, officially.
Yep.
Trump news definitely moves the market.
Let's see.
PTON Peloton, the May 45 call sweep now on Pakistan go out to November.
No, Mo, I'm not Amish. But they still use horse and buggy when I do make my trip up there, which is pretty.
Tyler, I'm
amazing.
going to exit the Visa 185 call for May 8th. I just don't like that pullback here. Not down much. There we go. $50 loss. Now the Visa swing trade, I'm still holding that. Still holding that. Joel, watch where 3M is at the end of the day. If it's below 145, then yes, I would sell it.
The information we're getting from people in China coming in at a fast pace. Remember, no short seller can do better work than a Chinese mom. Part 4 has to have more details about GSX massive crushing as Gulf sent the X-ray. Another tweet now from Citron Research. GSX. Another headline now, military official testing
military official. Sheesh.
U.S. Speaker Nancy Pelosi says next coronavirus response bill will address putting money in pockets of Americans. Big increase in food aid as well. Food stamps.
Yeah, typical response.
Yeah, Tyler, we need to see a move
President
on
Trump
that.
spoke with
Hold
Russian
on.
Leader Putin on Thursday on the coronavirus, arms control, and other issues. That from the White House. A member of the U.S. Navy who serves as one of President Trump's oh, member of the U.S. Navy who serves as one of President Trump's personal valets has tested positive.
Jeez.
That's reported. So it's the same person. President Trump and quote Putin reaffirmed that the U.S. wants effective arms control that includes Russia and China. Look forward to future discussions to avoid the arms race. That from the White House.
Josh, for USO, we're still bullish on oil. We think that we saw a rock bottom. So for the USO, what do you think, Dave? Still a good entry? Still good to go in?
I like it, but remember, we got the thing coming out first with OPEC,
And
May
OPEC
13th.
next week. So
Yep,
we
so
would wait on adding
I
to
want to
that
see what they
position or
say.
anything. Yes.
If that's bullish,
Yes.
I'll be adding the USO.
Yeah.
If not,
Yeah, Josh, the OPEC meeting next week. So look into
still
that right
looking
after
good
that.
though. Still on the climb. Like to see some larger candles, but it's looking good there. MACD's crossed. Looking for that flattening of the 10, which we're seeing starting to climb. First candle's above the 10, holding. Looking good.
But we're bullish on oil for sure.
Citron says with the volumes of information presented to the SEC from multiple sources beyond Citron, we don't expect it to raise FDA sector numerous regulations is going to offer.
Seth, I personally use VWAP. I like the VWAP. Dave, what do you think about VWAP?
I show you guys what I use. You know,
the three SMAs.
Yep.
The
I
three
have a
simple-
trade plan. I stick.
Yep.
Now sometimes what I'd like to use is I'll show you guys right here. I like Bollinger Bands
the
sometimes.
Bollingers.
Yep. They're not bad. Showing you the outer,
CLBS,
inner bands. Seeing if you're bouncing off them, retracing. I like that. Come on, Visa. Get that bounce there. 183.74.
Coconut, sorry to hear about your dad or your doctor's father. Wow.
What's that?
Death certificate received last week from January. Hey Havis, with the Trump news of his aides testing positive on coronavirus, we can see that diamond and the market shifted based on that.
Yeah, it had a little
So
retracement.
with-
Now look at it starting to pop
Yep.
again. Look at Visa taking off.
So that's what Visa and the rest of the market kind of shifted as well too, based on that news. So we exited our day trade for a small loss, still in our swing trade.
Oh, swing trades golden. We're up 30% on that. 1,700.
No problem, Ahabs.
Alrighty, guys. Look at Visa running there. That's another nice breakout. It came down to 183.50, 184.11 now, 184.19. Continue to climb there. Looking good. That looks great. Guys, we're going to have our class today at 5 p.m. So, again, before we get off here, it's after 11. I want to reiterate to you guys, 5 p.m. tonight. Go in the trade room. The link will be in there. We're also going to send it out on email, right? We'll send out the link on email.
Yep.
And you guys will be ready and prepared for tonight's class. We're just going to go over quickly how to set up charts, the trade plan, and when to hedge. So that's going to be our 3 topics, and that's going to be a good topic. That'll be a good first lesson for us here.
Yeah, join us.
President Trump and Vice President Pence have tested negative for the coronavirus.
They tested negative.
That according to a White House
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
Maybe we'll see it
That's
pop
good.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Here we go. There's the pop coming. There
Trump
we go.
tested negative.
There we go. Visa's
Trump
climbing.
and Pence tested negative.
Yeah.
Big news. Check out that news,
PayPal,
guys.
look at the call sweeps coming in. PayPal, ExxonMobil sweep coming in. June 19th, 40 strike. Looking good. There goes Visa. Nice
Look at the
breakout. Markets are climbing, right?
Look at the
Markets are climbing.
Our president test is negative.
Nice run there, guys. Alrighty, guys, we're going to get off of here now. We'll be live again at 2 p.m., and then we have our class today at 5 p.m. A lot going on, guys. Working hard for you guys. So please give this video a thumbs up here if you guys enjoy the video. 130 viewers, 37 likes. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified when we go live and anytime we upload anything. And we'll see you guys at 2 p.m. We're going to be in the trade room now. I'm just going to be working on some things for the class, watching the markets, and I'm going to be here with you guys. And Efrain's going to be here with you guys as well in the trade room. He's going to share some charts with you guys and go over a few setups. So there we go. Visa's continuing to climb. Nice Tyler Cummings. Loving that. Their Visa trade, 180 calls for the June 19th. They're up 30%. Love that. Looking good here, guys. Alrighty. We will see you guys at 2 p.m. on the live trade room here on the website, breakingchartalerts.com. Just click live trading video and classes, and you'll see we'll be live there at 2 p.m. And we'll do the class at 5. Fred Rogers, Floyd Rogers, if you want to message Efrain there, he could definitely go over that with you. I thought you said you did a video thing with him yesterday.
We did.
Yeah?
Tuesday.
Floyd, if you're still confused, feel free to message me. I'd be glad to help you. Actually, we're doing our class today, Floyd, so come join us. That'll be sent out.
Did you make any trades on your paper trades this morning, Floyd?
Alrighty, guys, we'll see you at 2 p.m. there, and we'll be in the trade room for now. There goes Visa still climbing. The Diamond ETF's climbing above that 50 SMA now on a today 1-minute chart. Looking good. Dow's up about 240 points. Looking good, guys. Dow's up about 290, I'm sorry. Looking good. Alrighty, I'll see you at 2 p.m., and we will also see you at 5 p.m. with the class. Alrighty, guys, take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the trade room. Bye-bye, guys.